Welcome to yet another edition of Kasuku Live. Olunaku olwaleero ndi ku Bat Valley Nursery Primary School. Nursery Primary School. Wetusinzidde. Bulijjo mbadde siranko bino bizimbe bino. Kino kye kyabasomesa.
Teacher's House.
Teacher's House. Ate kiri.
Waliwo obligato kiri ya.
Obligato eri wano wansi. Kiri ekikadde bwekityo. Nene Teacher's House ekaddiye. Nawo balimba. Anyway, kati ffe tuli mu Bat Valley. Ndina omukyala Caroline Aseku. Bulijjo mbadde nga njogera ku Sekuline Education Services.
Yes.
Nga mubalaba wano we bati wansi ne mwebuuza ne mbanyonnyola abaagala okusoma egy'obukulu mature entry sajja bali bakoze ssente naye bawulira degree yebulako.
True.
So lunaku olwaliro omukyala ndi naye. How are you, Nyabo?
I'm very okay. How are you, Mr. Kasuku?
I'm fine.
Nice meeting you here.
Nice to meet you here too.
Yes.
We met just before the year ended.
True. Yeah. I'm glad that we have met once again for a very good cause.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ebintu nga bino ekitera okubindeetamu ennyo. Mwine ettaffaali ate lyemugattako.
Yes.
So kyava olaba ondaba kati.
True.
Otherwise nandibadde siri naawe wano.
True.
Singa bibadde birala.
Yeah.
So Sekuline. For starters, what does Sekuline mean?
Sekuline is an education consultant
it's
company.
Sekuline.
Yes, Sekuline. Amanyanze Aseku Caroline. So when you make two of them, they form Sekuline.
For us, we read Sekuline.
It is okay.
Wow.
Muluganda, it is Sekuline. Yes.
Sekuline.
Yes, Sekuline
okay.
Education Consultants.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So comes from Aseku Caroline.
Yeah.
So chintu chicho.
Si change. Tulina ba directors banji. This is something that is run by a variety of directors. It's not mine. Yeah.
It's not yours alone.
It's not mine alone. We have several directors, professors, doctors who are in this.
So where do you birth the idea of saying, I need to begin something like this?
Yeah, I was so unlucky that I dropped out from a senior 3 LO class. Senior 3. Nakoma. So as along the way, I was this hardworking girl. I really admire to continue with my education. Naye myaka jibade jigenze, I could not go back for S4, I could not go back to S5. Kati olumu. Era mbaddawo, I was searching about mature age. Nange I used to hear about it. So when I was searching about it, and it only told me, you only need a national ID. By then, I even didn't have a national ID. With mature age entry, Makerere, by then it was only Makerere, you only need a national ID to sit for this exam. At Otula ofuna S6 equivalence. It was too true to be real. Nengamba, let me go ahead in the website. By then, ibade muchale sorote waffe. Na yena agenda ku website nga it is the same. You don't need any qualification to get an S6 equivalence. And by then, I had youth who were pushing me from my village. We want you as a counselor. But because I could speak English, senior 3. I didn't chila na badde nyo wane Kampala. Bonga babade bampushing. We want you for counselor na enganzi. I knew I did not have the what?
The qualifications.
Kati nalinya bus olumute so coach. Nenzije Makerere. I really wanted to prove. When I came to Makerere, they told me, yeah, we do not need any qualification for you to sit. The major important thing is you sit and pass the exam. So I said, but now I have nothing. Katintandikire wa musetinga chi muta nebatugamba wanote wali agenda kuwa training. There's nobody who is going to coach you. We know nyereze what aptitude and paper 2 looks like, right? So I gambled, I struggled. The first time I sat, I didn't make it in Makerere because I did not know what papers look like. So the second time I tried it. By then now they brought it to IU. and they had gathered enough knowledge, and IU was giving papers, so they gave me papers, and that year I was the best. I got 87. So when I got 87, I had the lecturers from IU who used to train, so they recruited me to train for IU in the university. So as time went on, like after training like 3-4 years, and I could really make it, and together with lecturers, I got an opinion that I can also make something outside the university to enable, not my own thing, to enable other people get this training before they go for the paper.
For the papers.
Yeah. Because really, ogenda yo tebakusaba empapula noba wakoma P5, na ye really, what is a P5 dropout going to do there? That's what we exactly prepare students here.
Yeah. So let me understand it this way. Someone is out there.
Yeah.
Yakoma mo P7.
Yeah.
Yakoma mo senior 3.
Yeah.
Yakoma mo senior 6 yobero in each papula. So universities now zina there's something
they base on.
There's something they base on.
Yeah.
So you go, for example, you go to Makerere University.
Yeah.
Without P7, without senior 4, nebakuwa ebibuzo.
Yes.
Kati ebibuzo ebyo bw'obiyita no qualifying for what?
Good. That's a very good question. Can you give us aptitude for Makerere past papers? This program has not started today. This program started in 1987. I want the whole book of Makerere past papers. 1987, this program was going on. But why is it that people are not aware about it? When you look at this book, we have all the past papers from 1997, aptitude and program specific. Okay? So what happens is, why people are not aware about mature age entry is people know it as a scam, because in a year Makerere can sit like 700 students, but they only take 100.
Hey.
Why? When they talk about when they advertise, like the advert is out, I sent you, they say nobo watu wakola chi towasoma katosanga oli alinya baso okuve Fort Portal okujja okutulira chi ebibuuzo, because bagambye nti nobo bato wakola chi. So in a nutshell, these people pay 200,000 per year per each person, but the people who qualify are very minimal because tebafuna training again. No, na even been to be bad there for long. Now today IU has joined us. We have IU, Makerere and Gulu. When you pass these examinations with 50% and above, you get a certificate called Mature Age Entry Certificate. This certificate is equivalent to S6. This certificate, ekutwala ku parliament, because parliament needs an S6 equivalence. It can compete in any field that needs S6. So when you get this certificate, you're free to apply for a bachelor's in Makerere where you sat from, or pick out your certificate and go to any university of your choice. You will be admitted majorly in humanities and business courses.
Last year there is a list.
Yeah.
Jebatimbe Makerere awo.
Yes.
Waliwo amanya getwala omuyimbi omu ne famire ye bakola.
Yes.
Eyayita yali omu abalala ne bagwa.
Yes.
Omuyimbi naye teyayita.
Yes.
Kati nga twebuuza listi eno baali bakola bibuuzo ki? Baali bakola bino.
Baali bakola bino, yes. Omuntu omu beranga has passed oli tayayise. In most times we do our best. Naye nga bwolaba kasukufu abakulu tuyina ebintu ebingi bye tukola ki? So oli ayinza okubeera nga tatuwa obudde emmala. Naye omuntu bw'atuwa obudde, even if 3 days in a week, 3 days, 3 hours in a week, I assure you, you can pass these examinations. Yes, sir.
Now I understand.
Yes.
Omayo ajenye omutwe. Twalaba list. Netugamba naye omusajja ono agudde ebibuuzo. Yali so yali eno mature entry. Bino ebibuuzo bye bayita mature entry.
No ye mature entry. Kati wano tukola mature age entry preparation lecture.
So for you here, omuntu ajja.
Yes.
ayagala okukola ebibuuzo ebyo.
Yes.
Ne mumupreparinga from these questions you have here.
Yes.
Ne mumusomesa.
Yes.
Bwe bakubuuzizza ko kati wano ndaba aptitude.
Yes.
Reading.
Yeah.
Writing.
Mathematics.
General
knowledge.
So it's more like general paper.
It's general paper.
Of senior 6.
But that's only one section.
Oh.
Wano waliwo oluzungu olukambwe wano kasuku, where you can read the whole page without you understanding what they are meaning. Right? So the general knowledge is only 20 questions.
Yeah, Angela is 25 marks.
Yeah. So that's actually what
Which
happens.
district in Uganda is Fort Portal town found? Yes,
So,
Fort Portal is mu district. Chirabi. Ate naliyo juzi batugamba Fort Portal eri mu Hoima. Eri mu ki? Soko gisearching abaana bajja salamu akantu wano. Kabarole, yes. Kabarole.
So this is just one section of the paper. So we make sure we take you through all these sections.
What does MBs stand for?
Yes, you have seen. Where is it?
It's here. In computer usage, what does MBs stand for?
Yeah.
Ronnie, MBs, what does it stand for?
Megabytes. Yeah, but of course spelling also matters. Yeah. So
which country in the East African community held elections in October 2015?
So this is actually what happens. In other words,
they need to come.
Kasuku, we also keep private the information of our clients.
Yeah.
Tina banji abali ku parliament with only this paper.
Yeah.
But it is only us and them who know.
Who know.
Most of these people are in VIP, we also have VIP lecture, whereby Mr. Kasuku, you tell me I don't want to be seen at Bat Valley. Find me in a hotel, find me in my office, find me in such a place. That is arrangement. It's a special arrangement, though it's expensive, but you will never hear it anywhere. Unless nga wovayo
no yogera.
No chogera. But for us, we know by the time you want privacy, we keep it as a secret. So we also have VIP. Togwamba ntia katinze bulijo mbade vimbire yo baja kunda bantya. We keep it a secret, and we even we help you to maintain the secret. Even when we can help you in each and everything. I don't want to sagala and yogere birala, but that's what happens. And then we also have online lectures. People who are up country, Fort Portal, Sorority, we have online lectures that are very perfect. You only come here at the end of the month for exams. Assessment exams here. So
these things you teach these people, you put them in terms, or okay, it's how long?
Now, how long is it? It depends on you. Because, for example, February 24th, Makerere is going to sit.
Yeah.
We have always had students here from December. But even in 3 weeks' time, someone can catch up if he's dedicated. Because purely we do question approach interpretation, right? So after that, May, IU is going to sit. So we expect these students who are going to sit from IU to start in February. August, Gulu is going to sit. We expect you to start at least in May, preparing for August. At least we would love to have students 3 months.
3 months?
Yeah. But of course, sometimes challenges, tetuzikirizo kolachi, to make it in 3 months. Yeah.
So until someone is ready.
Yeah, until someone is ready.
So if you do assessment and you don't pass?
These universities have different settings. We can tell that this one can make from Makerere, this one can make from Gulu, this one can make from IU.
So you advise them?
We advise. That is why we don't have failures. It's very, in fact, we have never got a failure in our class. Yes, because you may be wanting Makerere, but when we look at your approach, you will not make it. We advise you to this, to this, to the other.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's very rare occasions that somebody...
someone fails.
Yeah.
Secular education services.
Yes.
So, you know, you explained to me these things the other time. And I didn't understand them well. I was tired.
Yes.
I know you noticed.
Yeah.
But today you've really given me the real picture.
Yes.
That someone can be there, wakoma munasare, noja.
Yeah. Now, Kasuku nedda. Omuntu yenna nga wakoma ku nursery, so long as we also give you an interview, si buli omu will qualify because we want results. Kasuku, we can train you to pass the medicine and surgery paper. No it and a degree in medicine. But will you maintain yourself in the university? So we also give guidance. The next class is for adult education. Waliwo abantu abajjanga baagala ogenda ku university. Na ye when you give them an interview really bakyabulamu. You understand? So we push them to the next class basooke batule O level.
Oh.
Adult education.
Oh.
It's different from mature age entry.
Oh.
By the time we admit you for these lectures, tukulabide ddala nti you can catch up
now,
in the university.
Oh. So someone can come here nga ne P7 tajiina. Ne mumuyisaayisamu. Then you tell him or her.
Ochabula.
First go, get P7.
Get P7. Get S4.
Senior 4.
Ukomeo.
But then if someone came and they are senior 4, you assess them and they are okay.
Some even P6.
Yeah.
We have here old men. If you came at around 5, we have old men of 45 years. Never come in that J1, but they are really okay. Osango mwana nga yakoma P6, but is even performing better than the S6 people. There are also people who sat for S6, but they didn't make it. They were bafuna 0 points, 5 points. Instead of going for a diploma, please pass through mature age entry so long as you're 22 years and above.
Oh, they take 22 and above.
Yes, 22 for IU, 25 for Makerere.
Oh, Makerere is 25 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
But despite all that, when you sit from IUI, you can study in any university of your choice. Apart from Makerere, Makerere does not take any certificate apart from their own.
Makerere.
Yes.
The great Makerere.
But all universities take Makerere, but Makerere does not take any certificates.
Because
so if you're interested in Makerere,
you have to do Makerere.
Yes.
Wow.
But you can get IU and go to Gulu, Chambogo.
And you do. Chambogo is not yet doing these things?
No, it's only 3 universities so far. Yeah.
So far. This is a nice initiative.
Yeah, it's really a nice initiative.
Asajja muli mukoze sente degrees zaffe zibaluma.
Especially in the music industry, yeah, we have some music artists whom we are training, VIP, you will see them very soon. We bakoma one batuyanza well and good on camera, if
they allow.
If they allow.
Yeah.
But if they don't allow, but we have like 7 in the music industry who have made it with 77%, 67, right? And also other politicians. But I'm sure maybe one of these days in this week we shall hold one of the big politicians because he talked to him about Kasuku. He said Kasuku is a very professional person. We shall have him. So any time from now we shall have her. Me. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So that is Sekuline. Yeah, Sekuline. Oh, we are going to hustle with that name.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you can come around. They're at Bat Valley Primary School. It's 4th block. Yeah,
4th block, last floor.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then there are also those ones who want to learn only English.
Yeah.
Oli agamba nti nze bien papula sikola ki naye nandiyagadde just okuyiga okulwogera n'okulwandika. We also have that. We also teach you how to read, write, and speak good English. Yeah.
The government said they are going to teach ministers etiquette. They should hire you people. You teach them English.
Right, but okay, let's leave that, right? Let's leave that, Mr. Kasuku.
I think this is something good.
Yeah.
By the way, personally, I didn't know about this. I was hearing about mature entry, but I didn't know that this is how it works.
This is how it works. Mature age entry does not mind about your education level, provided you have a national ID, birth certificate, or a passport. It also opens borders for all the countries, regardless of where you come from. It's only not all for Ugandans, wherever you come from. This one also helps our friends from Southern Sudan. Kubanga syllabus, curriculum yawe tekolachi It's not the same as ours. Atenga bobandi yagado kuberanga bafuna their degrees from Uganda. Kata when you have a S4 from the other side, goes for them bakoma S4. But when you come back here, you'll not be admitted for a degree. So when you finish your S4, you can come and do this and enter direct for a degree.
In Sudan, they don't have universities yet.
They do have, but most of them prefer Uganda education.
So they go up to senior 4?
Yeah, just like Kenya, they do not have S5, S6.
Hey!
Yeah. But when you come here, they will always want an equivalent paper to balance it up.
So what do they do after senior 4?
What they do after senior 4 is university.
You move straight?
You go straight to the university.
So a 16-year-old boy goes to university?
That is their curriculum.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. I think that's why they have a better reading culture than us, especially the Kenyans.
Perhaps, but I cannot. And who told you Kenyans have a better reading culture than us?
The statistics were showing they read a lot.
Than us?
Than us. I don't know if it is true.
I also cannot tell on that.
Anyway. So, the numbers are down there on the screen. You can just holler. You call these people. They've said they are very private. They even have VIP.
Yeah.
In case you say, me I will be there, then Kasuku will come around. I don't want Kasuku to see me. You tell them, they make an arrangement. They come, they teach you from your home.
Not only Kasuku seeing you, even if you don't want me to see you, we can have an online lecture. Not only Kasuku.
And you're there virtually.
Yeah, you're there virtually.
You're learning.
So after that, I will only send you the form of Makerere, so that it is only Makerere who will see you, not me. So long as you pay in our account, we have no problem.
So Makerere's exams come on Feb 24th.
24th.
But I think now it's late.
It's not late. Yeah.
They can still come through.
They can still come through. I'm telling you that if they can only give us 3 days in a week, 3 hours of their choice, right? So someone can say, I can make it from 6:30 up to 9 and I go to office. It's well. Someone can say
in the morning.
Yes.
You have staff that can get to them.
Yes, 6:30 up to 9 a.m.
Wow.
They go, and then we can have someone who will be like from 10 a.m. to Sawa Musamvu. You go. Then someone can say, as a vayo Sawa kuminemu ku office. Can we start from 5:30 up to 9 p.m.?
But how is it teaching old people?
Teaching old people is so interesting. It is fun. I really love it, and I think
don't they get entondo chechi muluzungu mood swings? You tell them achino si checho, then they get angry.
No. First of all, we are trained how to handle the adults. The way we handle adults is not the way we handle young children.
Young children, yeah.
Right? So when an adult comes to school, right now here we are supposed to be 10, but you're only seeing 2. And you're not supposed to start calling and say, where are you? Why have you not come back to school? Why? We have so many problems that are perturbing us. So we also group them according to their levels of understanding.
Yeah.
So we don't bring the superiors and we mix with the juniors and then they feel, you know.
Yeah.
So we know how we group them so that they feel at ease.
I see.
Yeah.
All right. It's been a pleasure.
It's been a pleasure too.
Thank you for this information. This is very vital information.
Yeah.
There are so many people out there that didn't know this. So many people are willing to go back. They want to get those degrees.
Yes.
But they can't because they feel I don't have senior 6.
Yeah.
You know? Or I didn't perform well in senior 6.
Yeah.
And yeah. So now waliye yobagamba boboli bubi nnyo osoka wali adult education.
Yes.
No funa P7 yo no funa
S4.
S4.
Yes.
Nojja nokola ki nokola ebisigadde nogenda mu maaso.
Let me add on this. She's a nurse. She has just entered. I don't want her to come to the camera. But we also have nurses. If you're instead of going for diploma degree, when you have a basis of enrolled nursing and a nursing course, you can pass through mature agent direct to a degree. Right? And you are also free to change your course. For example, maybe you did a certificate in laboratory, you can apply for a bachelor's in medicine and surgery. Yeah.
So, byebyo nno bannange bagamba obutasoma buluma bukulu naye kati ate bano eddagala ly'obutasoma obukulu baliyina so jangu eno ekintu nzijukidde bannange omusajja yagwira ddala ebibuuzo kale senga yajja n'asomera wano
tokyogera wano
asimwogedde naye senga yajja n'asomera wano nalaba lisiti tewagiraba Makerere is the list netugamba oba yeye oba si yeye nenga te mukyala we tomulaba omusajja yagwa ebibuuzo yagwa ebibuuzo yamakiwa entry senga yajja wano.
In most cases, babantu tebalina information. People don't have the. Naye singa buli omu alina information eno, it would really be very good.
Yeah.
So especially the political department, the politicians, they want to come at the last moment. Naye sawa eno wandibaddenga if you have the dream of going for politics in 2026, jangu sawa eno, sit for your paper, start at least. Though this one alone can work, but you need some other supporting.
Eventually.
So if you have that dream that 2025 nzija na ye chinemesa is empapula, please come.
Wanootulawo emyezi gye 3 bw'oyita ng'ogenda kati Feb osobola okukola Feb wago n'omwaka obawo next year.
No, you can do Feb and when you do in Feb by April you're in the university doing a degree. When you do May from IU, June you're in the university doing a degree.
You said you also have musicians.
Yeah.
That is a nice
we
move.
Have
it is very important. Some of the problems we have in this country are talented people that have not been, you know. But if they are taking such bold moves, I salute them.
Yes.
It's worth it.
I actually only got 2, but it's the 2 that recruited these ones. We start around 7 to 8, but all of them have passed marvelously. So great with 60, 70. You know the pass mark is 50.
Yeah.
But it's better you aim higher.
He didn't come here. He didn't come here. So we are asking naye, how did the man's name get on the list? Kombe machuwa entry ye yali yagimanya.
Yes.
Fenga tetukimanyi nga tugansi yeye. Kumbe yeye. Yagwa ebibuuzo omusajja oyo.
True.
Anyway, so their contacts are down here. You can always call them.
Yeah, 0703-254913 or 77. Hey, yes. 0703. I thought because they are already online.
Yeah, they are already there. But
okay, 0703-254913. That's WhatsApp. 0772 40 75 44.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Until next time. Mubeere bulungi mweraba.